I tried Bitpie wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I first downloaded the Bitpie wallet app, I wasn't expecting much. Just another crypto wallet promising speed, security and convenience. But after using it for 7 days, the shocking truth is that Bitpie is both surprisingly powerful and surprisingly complex. On day 1, I set up my wallet and noticed something unusual right away. Bitpie supports not only Bitcoin and Ethereum but also a long list of altcoins, including some you don't normally see in mainstream wallets. It even connects to the Bither cold wallet system, giving it an extra layer of flexibility for serious crypto users. By day 2, I started testing transactions. Sending crypto through Bitpie felt fast and reliable, but here's what most people get wrong: Bitpie isn't fully beginner-friendly. Its interface looks technical and requires some basic understanding of blockchain terms. If you're new to crypto, it might feel overwhelming at first. Midweek, I explored Bitpie's decentralized features. You can trade directly within the app using Bitpie's internal exchange system. It's non-custodial, meaning you hold your private keys, which gives you complete control of your funds. But the trade-off: slightly slower processing and higher learning curve. By day 6, I tested importing and exporting wallets, and that's where Bitpie really impressed me. The backup options are clear, recovery is smooth, and security features like encrypted pins and private key isolation make it one of the safer mobile wallets I've tried. After 7 days, here's the shocking truth: Bitpie is built for users who value control over simplicity. It's not the flashiest wallet, but it's strong, private, and incredibly functional once you get used to it. If you're a crypto user who wants deep control over your assets without depending on centralized exchanges, Bitpie is worth exploring. It may not hold your hand, but it definitely holds your crypto securely.